After an accident, be aware of insurance-preferred body shops. Lawsuits against top insurers that try to shortcut repairs are being played out in more than 37 states, and over 500 body shops have signed on. These shops are fed up with insurers pushing them into using cheap aftermarket and junkyard parts that don't fit, devalue your car, and make it unsafe. Two of these quality body shops are right here in Polk County. They are Stewart Auto Repair in Winter Haven and Gunder's Auto Repair in Lakeland. These shops accept all insurance, but they work for you. Therefore, they don't have to shortcut repairs. They're not in it to save the insurer money. They're in it to save the value of your car and possibly your life. They do not recommend using aftermarket or junkyard parts. Both are even full-service Napa repair centers. Remember, insurers don't guarantee repairs, but at Gunder's in Lakeland and Stewart's in Winter Haven, every repair gets a lifetime guarantee.